Welcome. If you're tired of seeing Instagram comment notifications pop up on your lock screen and want a cleaner, distraction-free experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple, updated steps to turn off those comment notifications on your lock screen so you can enjoy your phone without constant interruptions. First, start by unlocking your phone and heading straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all your app permissions and notifications, including Instagram's. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on the section labeled Apps. This will show you a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Find Instagram from the list and tap on it to open its specific settings. Inside Instagram's app settings, you'll see several options. Look for and tap on Notifications. This is where you manage all the alerts Instagram sends you. Now, within the Instagram Notifications menu, you'll notice different categories like Likes, Messages, and Comments. Tap on Comments to focus specifically on notifications related to comments on your posts. Here's the crucial part. After selecting Comments, look for the lock screen notification setting. Tap on it, and you'll see options for how notifications appear when your phone is locked. Choose Don't Show Notification. This will prevent comment notifications from appearing on your lock screen, but you'll still receive them in your notification center and within the app itself. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully turned off Instagram comment notifications on your lock screen. This way, you can keep your lock screen neat and avoid distractions while still staying updated when you unlock your phone. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and select Show Notifications on the lock screen instead. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your quieter lock screen.